Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Louvre Heist outfit and dress to impress. I've seen a lot of like the Halloween costumes going around and I thought it was kind of funny. So I thought I would recreate it on Dress to Impress. Oops, just hit my mic over there. Just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is quite a lot, just the accessories. You can use whatever you want, but I basically used this in the fourth toggle in black. And then I used the sweater, but again, you can use whatever outfit you want in type 2 in black and matte. Let me just hide players so you don't get distracted. Then for the pants, I use these ones, these skinny jeans. Probably just also select the matte color. And then these boots and the ankle length. Okay, now for the accessories, grab this necklace and you're just going to color it this color. 90, 90, 90, and 176646. In the first toggle, position the Y at 0.51, Z 0.45, and scale it to 0.58. 0.58, what is wrong with me today? And then grab this necklace over here, and we're going to also use the Fresh Pack Walk, I think that's what it's called. So it looks like I'm holding it in the color BE and 2A4771. Position the X to 0, Y to 0.21, Z to 0.25, and scale it to 0.8. Then I did use some VIP items, which is the crown and the earrings that I have here with me. For the earrings, I used these ones in BE and 176646, the same as the necklace. And I think I just scaled it up to 0.59. Then I also used the other earrings, so it looks like I'm holding it as well in BE and 2A4771, the same as the necklace here. Position the X to 0, Y 0.17, Z 0.36, rotate the Y to 0.59. Then for the crown, just use this one. In the first toggle, position the Z to 0.49 and scale it to 0.43. Just use the same blue and gray as the rest. And that is it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.